In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the brightness of a photo. A simple brightness tweak can transform a flat or dim image into something clear and eye-catching. Whether you're preparing a picture for social media or cleaning up your gallery, I'll walk you through the essential taps and give you helpful guidance along the way so your photo looks natural, not washed out or muddy. Start by opening the photo you want to improve, then choose Edit. On most phones and photo apps, the Edit option appears at the bottom or along the toolbar once the image is open. If you don't see it right away, look for a pencil icon or the word Edit near the edges of the screen. This takes you into the editing workspace where you can make non-destructive adjustments in many apps, meaning your original is usually preserved behind the scenes. Next, tap Adjust. In lots of editors, this is represented by a sliders icon. Adjust is the section where you'll find manual controls for things like brightness, contrast, and other tonal settings. We're only focusing on brightness here, so you won't need to change any other controls. Now tap Light or Brightness. Different apps use slightly different names, but they're aiming at the same idea. How bright or dark the overall photo appears. Brightness lifts or lowers the image's general luminance without targeting just the whites or the shadows. Think of it as nudging the entire photo brighter or darker so details are easier to see and the image feels balanced. Slide to adjust. Move the slider slowly and watch the photo as it changes in real time. If the image looks dull or underexposed, gently increase brightness until faces, textures, and important details pop without losing detail in the bright areas. If highlights start to look stark or the scene feels washed out, pull the slider back a bit. For outdoor shots with strong sun, a small decrease can recover richness in skies. For indoor or evening photos, a slight increase often helps reveal subjects while keeping the mood intact. Aim for clarity, natural skin tones, and readable detail. Small gradual moves are best. When you're satisfied, tap Save. This applies your adjustment and returns you to your photo library. Many editors keep an original version behind the scenes, so you can feel comfortable making a confident, clean edit. And that's it. Open your photo, tap Edit, go to Adjust, choose lighter brightness, slide to Fine Tune, and save your result. With a few mindful tweaks, your photos will look brighter, clearer, and more polished in seconds.